and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am going to show you how to freeze bananas for smoothies. But first, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so here are my bananas, and they are perfection. I mean, they are just perfectly ripe. And I don't want to wait too much longer because if I wait another day or so, they're going to be too ripe and I'm going to end up having to toss them. But we don't want to waste food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel them and freeze them. Now, as you can see here, I'm peeling my bananas, and many people tell me I peel my bananas the wrong way, but I don't know, I didn't know there was a right way to peel them. I always peel them from what I call the eye. But I guess other people always peel it from the stem. Which way do you peel your bananas? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so now that I have my bananas peeled, I'm going to put them in a plastic bag. Alright, so I'm always really careful about how many plastic bags I use. I actually will probably use this one for the next several months. You know, whenever I have like an extra banana, I'll put it in there. And then, you know, follow the same procedure, just adding it on top. But let me show you. So once I get my bananas in there, I want to place them in the bag so when I hold the bag up, they're going to be like in a rainbow kind of shape. You see that? Alright, now I'm going to push as much air as possible out of this bag. Alright, but you want to be careful, don't smash your bananas, you know, and then just kind of push the air out and then close the bag. Alright, so there we have our bananas, and now what I'm going to do is you could take either a butter knife or the back of a spoon or the handle of a spoon or fork and then cut it. Now be careful that you don't pierce your bag, alright? But you can just cut right through there very gently and you'll be able to cut the banana without hurting the bag. Alright, so you can cut them as big as you like or as small. It's up to you. Alright. So you see I got the two here. You turn the bag how you like or how you need to reach your bananas. Alright. So I got my 3 bananas cut up, and now I'm going to push out even more air. So as you can see, I'm just kind of shaking to get the bananas towards the bottom. As you can see, I got quite a bit of air out of there, but we're going to get even more air out. And again, we do that by rolling it very gently, and that air will go to the end. We zip tie it, we zip it up, and there we go. So when I have just about this much, I go ahead and I fold the bag over. It just makes it easier to freeze. Alright, and here it is the next day, and you can see they're, you know, perfectly separated. You know, and if it does stick, it's not really that hard since they're cut to separate them. And then you take as many as you like. You can add more at the top, just following the same procedure. And there you have it. So thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos. And I'll see you next time. Take care, y'all.